guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Trisha. Today I'm going to do a video on what's in my bag, and the bag I will be showing is this bag. It's my favorite bag because it's my favorite color, pink. So let's see what's inside it. I'm going to start with the small pocket. The first thing in my bag is the sanitizer. I take it to school and whenever I go out. Next thing in my bag are my AirPods. I use them to listen to music when I am in a public place. The next thing in my bag are these lip balms. I like to collect lip balms a lot. So now I'm going to show you what's in the big pocket. It are sunlight pipes. I use them when my face gets oily. Thing in my bag is my phone. I play games and watch YouTube on it. And the next thing is this is my mask. I always keep an extra mask in my bag for an emergency. And the next thing in my bag is some moisturizer. I keep it in my bag so my skin doesn't get dry. And in this box, I keep my clips and my necklace. And over here, I have a comb. And it has a mirror on its back too. And this is my favorite comb. The next thing in my bag is my personal diary. I write all my secrets in it. And I like decorating it a lot. I should not close it. And the next thing in my bag is my pencil box. I keep colors, pencils and pens in it so I can draw whenever I want. This is my clutcher. I use it to tie my hair whenever I want to. And the last but not least thing in my bag is my storybook. I always keep a storybook in my bag so I never get bored. Thank you guys for watching my video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!